So I have this word lock here, and I discovered something and I wanted to share. So right off the bat, this looks like it is set up correctly. The rings are on there. Underneath are those little red dots. But there are actually two different types of rings. There are starter rings and there's regular rings. And in order to make this lock work, the first letter needs to be a starter ring, and then the remaining 4 letters need to be regular rings. So I'm going to take this apart and show you the difference between the 2 rings because they're very, very similar. So if you can see here, this is a starter ring. It has those little tiny notches on the left. This is a regular ring. It does not have those notches on the left there. It's just a smooth raised lip. Okay, so that's a regular ring. So in order to make this lock work, you need 1 starter, then 4 regular rings. And when I took this apart, I realized that not only was the S a starter ring, but the E that you had set up is also, you can see those notches, those are that's a starter ring. This ring cannot be in the middle of the lock. You'd have to find a regular ring with an E and replace it with this. So that might be the issue. You can see the red dots are all lined up. And when you put on that first ring, that's where the starter ring goes. The remaining 4 rings need to be regular rings. You can't use a starter ring. So that might be why you're having some issues with this lock falling apart.